Today is Ramzan special recipe, and today I am going to give you recipe of Dahi Bhalla recipe, which is very famous in Pakistan. Take 1 cup mash ki dal. You can use any type of lentil here and soak into water for 2 to 3 hours, and after that we will blend it. Now we will blend it. Our paste of lentil is ready here after blending. Now we will add black cumin seeds, then we will fry. Now we will add cooking oil. Then we will fry a lentil paste for 5 to 6 minutes in a medium flame. Now we will wait for light brown, and after a light brown we will do further process. Now we will put into water and wait for 50 minutes for further process. Then we will add yogurt 250 gram and then mix it very well. Then we will have to add red chili powder here. Then we will have to add roasted cumin seeds powder. Then we will add here a green chutney, which is made with mint leaf, coriander leaf and green chili. Then we will add here tamarind chutney that is made with tamarind pulps. Now our yummiest Dahi Bhale Pakistani recipe is ready for serving.